If you see that your computer has a lot of lagging, many programs take forever to open, there's some game starter, or your computer feels slow even when you're doing simple tasks, well, we will try to solve this issue. So the first and most easiest and obvious solution is to click directly inside your Windows and try to restart. So I know this sounds obvious, but many people leave their PC running for days or even weeks. So restarting closes the background programs, clears temporary files, and refreshes Windows. If you haven't restarted your PC recently, do that first and see if the lag improves. I do not recommend to shut down your computer and turn it off once again, because what you wanted to do, what we are aiming for, is to try to close all the background programs and all the refreshed windows. When it shuts down, it always shuts down, but let's say that sometimes they don't restart and close some background programs. So that's really important to restart it right away. Now, if your PC is still low, what you want to do is to check what's running into the background. So I'm going to go directly back again here into my home dashboard, go for Ctrl-Alt, Insert or Supreme, and go for Task Manager. Now inside here, you want to look at the CPU, the memory, and the disk columns. If you see a program using a lot of resources and you don't need it right now, just select the one that is taking a lot, which in my case is this one, and go for the element that says End Task. So end all the tasks that you are not actually taking right now. Even if you don't open yourself, they may still run into the background and slow down your computer. So disable the ones you don't need right away. Now let's check your available storage. So if you focus into the File Explorer, what you wanted to do is to look out for the left section and go for this PC. If your main driver is almost full, Windows may become noticeably slower. So try delete files, and if you don't need uninstalled programs you no longer use. So try to delete them into the desktop, the downloads, documents, pictures, music, and so much more. To make this process much more faster, usually what I do is to focus into the settings section, go directly into the home dashboard, and directly inside here I'm going to focus into the element that says system. Inside the system, I click into the element that says storage, and I can get like a quick overview of all the actual local storage that I currently have, and all the applications, documents, temporary files, every stuff that actually is taking care of all the gigabytes. So what I need to do is just to click into the elements that I would like to check out. For example, view the documents, which I have a lot inside here. So I click directly inside those elements, and what I wanted to do is to delete them so I no longer see them anymore. So this is basically what I'm actually aiming for with all of this stuff, right? So if you have many temporary files, Windows can clean those for you, of course. You can go into the storage and click into the temporary files, as you can see. Review the list, select the elements that you no longer wanted to see, and go for the element that says clean the system files. So something else that I can totally suggest to you is that if you have a lot, but truly a lot of files that are really important, try to purchase an actual external hard drive, so you can let's say put all of that information directly into this hard drive. If you are not using that kind of elements, it's not that let's say it's really cheap. Actually, you can just save all that information into a hard drive. You can download this, put it directly into this hard drive, and then what you can do is to delete those from your computer so you can run this a little bit much more faster. And if you have dozens of tabs open, try closing the ones you don't need. Also disable the browser extensions that you are rarely used. Once again, what you can do is to make sure that into the task manager, you can be aware that Google Chrome, for example, doesn't take a lot of that. In my case, for example, I have 18 all out of it. So what I wanted to do, of course, is to close all of those, right? And the last thing that I can focus is to check your antivirus. Running a full scan is a good idea because malware can sometimes slow down your computer. So Windows includes an actual Microsoft Defender that can help you with that element. So I'm going to click into my Microsoft Defender, which in my case here it is. And well, basically what you want to do is to run some tasks to check out if there's an actual problem with the firewall, with the network, where some applications with whatever. So just make sure that everything is looking correctly good, and try to always truly update your computer just to check out into the future that there's nothing wrong with in those. So make sure that you download and install all of them so you can now focus and work into your computer. When you finish with doing all of those, always restart your PC once again and try to check out if this one actually works for you. So guys, if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this. Remember that if there's another solution that you found and we didn't talk about in this video, try to let us know in the comments below so we can all share some knowledge. Thank you once again for watching. See you guys next time.